Severe storms are headed to our area, and there's a chance these could produce tornadoes. Let's check in with meteorologist Kelly Foster for the very latest.
Hey, Andrea. Well, right now we're just looking at some small storms across the area. What we've got happening is we were going to have a warm front lift northward, and then a squall line is going to begin to move through the area around midnight. Here's where we find the wet weather currently, and you can see the bulk of it is just north of I-65 near Saraland, up Highway 43, near Celeste, Bucks, Maxey, and northern Baldwin County near Perkins Landing. We also have a few thunderstorms across the southwest Alabama beaches near Perdido, Josephine, Pensacola Beach, and Escambia Bay across the Panhandle. Now, we are going to have the potential for some severe storms. As far as our local area, that squall line is going to begin to move into the region around midnight, and we're going to have some active storms all the way through early tomorrow morning. The potential for damaging winds, heavy rain, hail, and isolated tornadoes. As far as that severe threat, well, the hail is going to be on the low end side. The tornado threat is now moderate, according to the Storm Prediction Center. They're putting us that we've got about a moderate risk of seeing some tornadoes, damaging winds, and flooding. So we want you to be mindful of that. We're under the severe risk zone tonight. That includes our entire viewing area. And then as we head into early Monday, we're going to see that shift across Baldwin County, our Florida Panhandle counties, including Escambia County, Alabama, and Conecuh County, and a little sliver of Monroe County. What we can expect is some very heavy rain along with these thunderstorms. We're talking several inches of rain all the way through noon on Monday, and that's why we're under a flash flood watch as well. So what we encourage you to do tonight to plan is make sure that you go to bed with the channel on Local 15. We will watch your neighborhood every step of the way. We'll bring the latest watches and warnings. We'll stay on with you. We'll hold your hand through this. And download the Local 15 weather app. Go to our app store and type in WPMI space WX. It'll take a few minutes, and make sure that your weather radios are charged. Now, as far as the pinpoint predictor beginning at 9 o'clock tonight, notice we're looking at just some spotty scattered showers. We could see some severe thunderstorms across our western zones at this point. And then as we head on into the overnight hours, there goes that squall line. It's going to roar through the area, and we could see some rotation. So we want you to be mindful of that. Make sure that you have a spot in your home that you can go to that is away from windows and glass, and where you're surrounded by walls. And just turn the television up really, really loud, and we'll walk you through it. We'll let you know where the storms are and when it's safe for you to carry on and sleep nice and sound. So nothing to panic about, just to be aware that we'll have that severe risk overnight. I'll have more in a full weather report later in the show. Andrea? All right.